As you know, we have many English-speaking countries in the world.
And there are a lot of stereotypes about each of them. We will show you 4 popular stereotypes about 2 well-known countries. Let's see.
Hey dude, there is a stereotype about Americans that we like junk food at any time of the day and we are not hospitable.
Yeah, we love fast food and nevertheless we like to meet new people and especially people of other nationalities.
You know, recently my foreign friend took offense at me because I didn't say anything about his new hairstyle.
But it is bad form to express an opinion when you are not asked. We're not rude, dear friends, we're just cultural.
But it's completely true about tea. We drink tea at every opportunity.